Why do 90% of home bakers love this recipe? Because it's simple, delicious, and perfect for everyone. Today, we're baking mouth-watering chocolate chip cookies with a twist. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of white sugar until creamy. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 large eggs, beating well. Now, in another bowl, combine 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Stir in 2 cups of chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts for that extra crunch. Tip: for a gluten-free option, swap the flour with a gluten-free blend. Scoop tablespoon-sized dough balls onto a baking sheet, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake for 10-12 minutes or until golden brown. Fun fact: for a vegan twist, replace butter with coconut oil and eggs with flaxseed eggs. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. And there you have it, irresistible homemade chocolate chip cookies with a creative twist. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your fellow home bakers. Happy baking!